G'day, I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel Service, and I want to talk about installation of Cacth cans. We actually get so many calls here every day from people all over the country and across the world, and quite a few of them to do with problems to do with Cacth cans. And also you hear and read on forums and different things, don't fit one, they're dangerous for engines, or had a problem. Well, like anything done correctly, you don't have a problem. Anything done the wrong way, of course you're going to have a problem. So I just want to show you just one of the man-humbled German Cacth can systems. A very common problem that we have heard and seen directly in ourselves. Only as of this morning with the Nissan Patrol that came in here, already had one fitted, and we just noticed at the last minute it had the Cacth can connected the wrong way. So on these PV200s, as per the arrow, you have the steam gases coming in. The reason for that, if we take the top off and have a bit of a look, is the gases go into this area here and go down through the filter element, and they push the oily fumes through the element and off the bottom and down into the Cacth can and down into the drain tube. That's how it works. If you have it going the other way around, you're trying to get the oil to come this way because this side is where it drains, but you're pushing your fumes backwards if it's hooked up the wrong way. So you're effectively pushing the oil back in there, and you end up with all sorts of problems and restrictions of flow. And that's the problem. When things get restrictive, you have seals leak, etc., all because it's hooked up the wrong way. So if we put that back together again, then we have a bit of a look. I've made it loose already so I can show you. Down the bottom here is a little valve. Now the clearance when this valve is installed is extremely tight in that tube. And if you have this connected up the wrong way, that valve can block, effectively meaning your breathing fumes and tube have no more breathing anymore. All your crankcase pressure builds up. If we have a look over here, you've seen me show you before with that on done, fumes are coming out. Well, they're getting vented through a Cacth can. If it can't breathe because it's hooked up the wrong way, of course it's going to play up. So we've seen this time and time again. You as the owner, make sure you take a look at the install. Have a look at the really simple arrow that's on the Cacth can, and if it's one of the bigger PV200s, it's definitely the top where the fumes need to be coming in, not the other way around. And we see so often, of course, the fumes are going in at the bottom, the valve collapses and gets stuck, it's pushing the oil the wrong way through the filter, and all sorts of troubles come about. And then of course, what is it? Cacth cans are a bad thing. Absolutely not. When they're installed like everything else the wrong way, it's going to be a bad thing. If we put a tyre on back to front, inside out, of course that's the wrong way, so we put it on the right way. So going back to Cacth cans, police your installers, because these are being installed at shops and the customers aren't picking it up, and we are in here. It's pretty simple. Follow instructions. There's the arrows. Here's the arrow on this one. So make sure your Cacth can gets installed the correct way. Ask questions. You guys take it into your hands, and girls, ask questions of your mechanic to do things the right way. You can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Look us up at Snapchat or at berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.